Have you ever experienced or felt the auric fields and AMP, chakra energy centers?
Aura and chakra are the layers of human energy fields that interconnect
All other subtle bodies and also acts like a shield covering and protecting our more refined subtle bodies like the mental, emotional, and spiritual, and astral bodies. Yes, activating spiritual aura and AMP, chakra could be so easy to lead a better life. Welcome to Healing Heaven Global. It is a divine platform for our spiritual soul and AMP, karmic healing. Everyone should take a necessary step towards accelerating their spiritual growth by rejuvenating and enhancing the physical form and transition into the fifth and the highest dimensions, as we are the light being from the light world to lead a healthy and AMP, happy lifestyle on the earthly dimension. Do you want to get a release from stress, tension, anxiety, depression, addiction,
obesity,
fear, or loneliness? Do you want to get a release from the stubborn patterns which is happening without your awareness? Do you want to get a release from the unwanted trapped energies, emotions? Do you want to get a release from the negative thought processes and negative thinking patterns? Do you want to get a release from the thyroid permanently without any medical treatment? Do you want to get a release from the karmic impression due to bad karma in your past or present life? The God-gifted healer and medium Mumtaz invites you to attend the most powerful advanced intensive effective aura and chakra enhancement, energizing, and activation healing workshop. If you are looking only for an advanced version of effective aura and chakra healing, then this workshop is meant for you. Just one thought of the decision of attending the workshop can change your life permanently towards positivity and the light beings. We have transformed thousands of people and aiming to transform more living souls on earth. Register your name today and see the miracles happening in your life after the workshop, 100% guaranteed results. Thank you and be blessed always.